In this video, we're going to talk about the bodyweight row and how to progress it, okay? So we have our suspension trainer hooked to the fence here. The longer the arms of the suspension trainer, you can use rings, the easier this is going to be, okay? So you're going to pull those right to the chest. You're going to pull at those handles and you're going to walk back till there's tension, okay? And then with your feet, toes will come off the ground, so only the heels are going to stay on the ground. You're going to lean back, separate those shoulder blades, and then squeeze those shoulder blades together, bring those elbows into the side, okay? So from the front, that's gonna look like this, not way out here, okay? Then, when that becomes too easy, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shorten the handles. Okay, now you're a little closer, so you end up becoming more parallel to the ground. It's a little more difficult, okay? You're gonna wanna do this about 15 times or so, depending on how hard it is. This is a good strength exercise, so if you get to where it's really hard and you're pulling almost vertically where you're parallel to the ground at the bottom, you may not be able to do 15, and that's okay. You do 5, take a break, do 5 more, and that's okay. You're gonna get stronger by doing it. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Reach out to us, bodyfixpt.com. I hope you like this one. Take care.